should you consider a lymphoma immunotherapy clinical trial? Exploring new treatment options for lymphoma can feel overwhelming, but clinical trials are an important part of advancing care. Immunotherapy has become a promising area in lymphoma treatment, especially for those with relapsed or refractory disease. These trials test innovative approaches that harness the body's immune system to fight cancer more effectively. One of the most exciting developments is CAR T-cell therapy. This involves collecting a patient's T-cells, modifying them in the lab to better recognize lymphoma cells, and then returning them to the patient. Clinical studies have shown that CAR T-cell therapy can produce long-lasting remissions in some patients with aggressive lymphoma types, even after other treatments have failed. Some trials report over half of patients experiencing complete remission, with many remaining disease-free 4 years. Another approach being studied is bispecific antibodies, which are designed to connect immune cells directly to lymphoma cells, helping the immune system attack more efficiently. Combining these agents with traditional chemotherapy has shown promising results, with higher remission rates and manageable side effects. Immune checkpoint inhibitors are also under investigation for lymphoma. These drugs block proteins that normally prevent immune cells from attacking cancer. For example, nivolumab has improved survival in Hodgkin lymphoma and is being tested in non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Recent studies indicate that adding nivolumab to chemotherapy can significantly increase the chances of disease control while reducing some long-term side effects. Emerging therapies like novel drug combinations are also being explored. Some trials are testing new agents that can kill lymphoma cells quickly and effectively, even in patients who did not respond to previous treatments. These advances are helping to expand options for patients who need alternatives to standard therapies. Joining an immunotherapy clinical trial can provide access to cutting-edge treatments that are not yet widely available. It also allows patients to contribute to research that could benefit future patients. However, participation involves weighing potential benefits against risks like unknown side effects and variable effectiveness. Not every patient will qualify for every trial, as eligibility depends on specific factors like disease subtype, overall health, and prior treatments. Deciding whether to consider a clinical trial is a personal choice best made in consultation with a hematologist-oncologist. They can evaluate your individual situation, explain what each trial involves, and help determine if it's a good fit. Remember, medical research is ongoing, and these new therapies are continually evolving. Always seek advice from qualified healthcare professionals to make informed decisions about your treatment options. In summary, immunotherapy clinical trials for non-Hodgkin lymphoma are showing promising results and could be a valuable option for some patients, especially those seeking alternatives or facing relapsed disease. But careful evaluation and personalized medical guidance are essential to ensure the best possible outcome.